Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State. Even though it's not sunny today, it's been raining on a lot, on and off over the past couple of weeks. So it's been the great rainy state of Florida. So if it's not sunny, it's rainy, or it's doing both. But I just wanted to touch base with you guys. I hadn't really uploaded the video, I think, about 2 weeks now, but I've been super busy per se. I've been taking some I had some classes I had to finish, some end of summer stuff to do with the fam and the kids before they went back to school. So they start school actually tomorrow, so they'll be back in school. Not like I have little kids, but they're, still have to go do shopping and all that kind of stuff with them. But one of the main reasons why I haven't been posting any videos is because of my hard drive. Yep, my hard drive crashed. I don't know what's up with it. So I can't access any of the data that I've uploaded on my hard drive. Not my computer hard drive, my external hard drive, but I think it has to do with an update with this new Big Sur update on the Mac. So I have one of the new Mac minis with the M1 chip, and I've had a hard drive now for a little over a year or so, and I've been using it. So I hadn't been moving it. I just plug it in the computer and leave it there and go, because previously to that I dropped my hard drive and lost all that data too. So this time I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna plug it in, leave it, never have to touch it again, and I'll be good to go as far as not losing my data. But I guess after one of these updates, it updated and it won't let me access any of the data on my hard drive. So I've reached out to a few people. Shout out to Modern Day Muscle. He's like a computer guy for his job. So I reached out to him. He says it could be an issue with the new M1 chip, but we did look it up online, and I guess it's a common issue that everyone is having with the M1 chip. And now somebody's cutting their grass. Yeah, man, I had to go over there and tell the neighbor don't be cutting no grass, man. I'm shooting a video, updating my peeps, let them know where I've been, and they'd like for me to shoot this video without any interruptions of a lawnmower. Just kidding. But yeah, it's been a problem with the M1 chip and my hard drive. So it's not only to me, but other people have had the same problems. So I'm gonna try this, I forget what it's called, I have it written down there, where I could try and at least extract the data off of the hard drive. And I'm gonna go to a cloud-based service, hopefully, so I don't lose all this data. I'm not sure if, since I'm pretty much Apple with everything, Apple only give me 2 terabytes of storage that I pay for right now, and I think that's the max I could do is 2 terabytes. And I have more than 2 terabytes of video. I have to also look into Google Drive to see how much I'll get with sharing it to Google Drive. And I also have Dropbox. Maybe that's the better one. I didn't even thought about that, Dropbox, because I also pay for Dropbox storage. So I have to see how much stuff I have on Dropbox. But it'll be harder to like get the information to my computer. Won't be as fast as just having an instant hard drive right there. So that'll be the only I see that's the only drawback right now, is just having the time from getting the information here off of the download it to my computer, then to download it and to bring it into Premiere Pro, because I use Premiere Pro. So if anybody have any suggestions on how I could get this information off of my hard drive, because it still will show up sometimes. It'll show that there's stuff on there. I did a disk utility and a disk repair, and it says I need to reformat the drive, but it just won't let me get the stuff off of the drive. But other than all that drive stuff that's going on, I've been working on the car here and there. I say I'm completely doing a new build, a new stage 1 of my new build, which I'm calling, if I hadn't told everybody yet, before I said the drag pack, and everybody was all crying, "Can't be a drag pack." So I'm calling mine the Drag Cat, Mission Flyer Drag Cat build. I'm gonna put in a little thing of my new logo for the car, which is the drag cat. And after this, at the end of this month, I'm taking it down to Miami to get it wrapped. So it'll be down there for a couple of weeks getting it wrapped, and then it's gotta come back. I'll show you guys a little bit here and there, but at that point the car won't be finished. I have other things that I need to do, but I just wanted to go ahead and bring it down, get the wrap taken care of, just in case if with whatever goes on, if they have to shut down or whatever. So at least I could get that done ahead of time, and everything else will come. So since April, I've been waiting on parts. So I finally got the last piece last Thursday, and I still have way more parts. If you guys can hear that, that's a fighter. Sound like an F-15 or an F-35. Sound of freedom. But yeah, so it's the new Mission Flyer Drag Cat build. It's gonna be completely different. It's not what you guys are gonna be expecting. It's a different from what I've done before, and this will be my last wrap I do on the car before, you know, I just strictly use it, which I strictly use it now for drag racing and do the complete drag race build. I'm doing it in different pieces. So because I broke the suspension, the first portion is going to be the suspension and wheels, safety gear. Last is going to be engine and transmission. I have a couple of options what I'm going to do with that, the engine and the transmission, but we'll just have to wait and see in that build. And then in the meantime, I'll be working on the GTO. I want to put a lift on the truck with some wheels, and then that will be it. Nothing too crazy. And then of course work on the Jeep. And then I have another project. I might go and pick it up tomorrow, and I'll let you guys see that project. But thanks for bearing me. Thanks for being patient. I'm getting everything done. I'm getting everything lined up. It's not that easy when you're doing it by yourself, or you don't have unlimited funds to buy everything at one time. But I'll go over everything that I've bought for the rear end, from fixing it to the repair, and then I'll let you guys know like the running total so far of what I've done. And mind you, I'm doing all to a certain degree of the work myself, except for when it comes to the engine and rebuilding the transmission. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to send it out to get done. But thanks for watching the videos, guys. There's no intro or no outro on this, so until the next video, and until I get everything back up and running, peace.